Spools of high-performance polymer fibers and reflective metallic yarns arrive at the engineering facility. Laboratory technicians test fiber samples using tensile machines and optical scanners for strength and consistency. Automated wash lines remove residues using filtered air jets and solvent-free cleaning systems. Computer-controlled cutters slice the fibers into precise lengths based on digital fabrication data. Robotic looms weave the fibers into dense, layered textiles with controlled tension and alignment. The fabric sheets move through heat chambers that lock molecular structure for extreme temperature resistance. Multiple textile layers are compressed under calibrated pressure to form a unified protective composite. Laser-guided cutting tables shape the bonded material into ergonomic suit panel templates. Technicians manually reinforce seams and joints to maintain flexibility without compromising strength. Each panel is measured and visually checked to confirm thickness, uniformity, and defect-free surfaces. Specialized spray systems apply thermal and radiation-resistant coatings across the fabric surface. Motorized rollers smooth and compress the panels to achieve an even, controlled finish. Panels are stitched and bonded together into complete suit sections using reinforced industrial machines. Tracking labels and manufacturing codes are printed directly onto designated fabric zones. Finished components are sealed in clean room packaging to prevent contamination during storage. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in videos like these, subscribe to How It's Crafted for exclusive behind-the-scenes craftsmanship.